Alright, thanks for joining us again. I'm back on the crap camera, unfortunately. The main camera died, and that absolutely stinks because there were some gusts so strong on the highway on the way back that it caused power flashes. Moore right now is out of power, as far as I know. I saw all the lights go off when I was driving by on the highway. So as far as I know, Moore is out of power. Norman, I think, it will soon be out of power. But right now, things are going swell here. That being said, North Norman, where I'm coming from right now, I'm heading south back towards the university. North Norman, the lights were flashing red. So likely they are out of power up there. Down here it hasn't quite made it, but the wind is so strong, I wouldn't doubt it if it happens. And you can see that lightning just exploding. I'm going to try to get back to my dorm as fast as possible, get my camera battery charged, and somehow in the process also film with this camera from a good vantage point, which is much easier said than done. I think we're going to want to go, I don't even know, where do we want to go on Main Street to get home quick? Listen to that. The flag is like banging against it. Look. Look at this wind. This is insane. Oh, wind down. This is crazy. What's going on? It looks like there's a tree down. There's a tree down on that road. It's hard, you can't really see it in the dark. But there's an entire tree down on that car. Oh, you can't even see it. Look at that. A tree on the ground in Norman. This is insane. Yeah, I just felt a drop of rain come in. 2 drops, so the rain is starting. Here it is. It's 11. That's midnight for them. Probably shouldn't bother my father right now. Alright, so I'm going to go left here once the light turns, and then head towards Jenkins, because if you look over there where that cop is, there's probably a tree down up there. Alright, we're going. This is insane. Bunch of leaf eddies, if anybody knows what that is. You know your weather. I'm just gonna put my Campus Corner. We are now at Campus Corner. This is usually where all the hot bar parties are, but today it's probably going to empty out here pretty quick. Not only because it's 11 p.m. Oh yeah, there's still people out there. Not only because it's 11 p.m., but also there's a freaking storm coming. Hold on, I'm not going to film these people while they cross for their own privacy. I'll film this way, though. I guess I am kind of filming people a bit, but you can't see their faces. That's what matters. All right, here we go. Sorry about also the lack of focus on this and the slightly worse quality. But the camera does kind of drain battery fast. But I think I use the battery when it matters most, unless there's like some crazy disaster in Norman, in which case I misuse the battery, but at least I have something to record it with. Alright, so we're gonna try our luck at going through down Jenkins. I'm not sure if we're gonna be stopped dead or not. Looks like cars are coming from that direction, so I'm cautiously optimistic that we will be able to go down Jenkins today. I just want to get down there now. Alright, yeah, the football stadium lights are still on. I was at the game earlier today. We beat Kansas, which is nice. We haven't won in a while. We could use to win right about now. All the signs are blown down. But yeah, today's win was fun. It felt more valuable because we haven't had one in a while. I cried a little, and I cried tears of joy when we won. I was just so happy. But I'm surprised that they still have the lights on. Being that the game ended at, 2 p.m. and it's 11? After 11 now? Whoa! Alright, well I can't really get through right now. All the trash barrels have just made their way into the street. Yeah, that's it. You guys didn't think it was gusty? It doesn't look very gusty. It's gusty. I wouldn't be surprised if one or two of these tents take... Oh, shit. It let me by. Thank you, garbage can, for rolling to the side so I could pass. Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. More trash cans everywhere. And utter destruction of all the... Oh my god, that one just went down. All of those shelters for tailgating are gone. And the rain's intensifying. I'm gonna have to... Hold on. All those shelters are toppling. Some of them are still up, but a lot of them are toppling. Oh yeah, look at the people just watching as their entire lives crumble in front of them. No, I'm just kidding. Imagine some people were still tailgating. They were kind of caught off guard by the storm. I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, the power just flashed, I think, at the stadium. It looks like the stadium lights went off for a brief second. Turn off. Alright, but yeah, the road's is open again. I was wondering why I still felt rain. I left my back window down. Alright, well, let's just make it back to the dorm safe. I'm gonna find a spot that's on the interior of a covered floor, just in case the hail comes back, because there is still a risk for hail where we are right now. There's a decent risk, to be honest. Alright, well, I'm glad that I got home without any roads being closed and that interfering with me. Now I have the tough job of making the run back in with all my equipment. That's going to take some skill. Oh, people coming. Yeah, the umbrella might do you a little bit. You might be getting more than you bargained for. Looks like a lot of people are coming back in. I'll honestly sacrifice a spot on the second floor that's closer to a spot on the third floor that has better coverage in case the wind comes in. I'll probably want to stay on the east side of the garage because the wind is blowing in from the west. Although I'll try to keep it like west central because the wind could change directions later. I just want to find some place where I'll be okay, no matter what, really. Oh wow, well it looks like I won't have any choice anyways because this place is filled up. Whoa, watch out there. Looks like floor 3 is filled too, because that guy probably just looped around to find a spot on the back. Yep, floor 3 is full. Holy crap, I've never seen it like this. I guess Oklahomans actually know when there's a hailstorm. They know to go. Oh, I thought that was an open spot at first. Alright, well hopefully there's something here, because if there's not, I'm going to have to park on an open floor, and I do not vibe with that. Okay, good. I see. That's spot's taken. That would have been a good spot. I see some spots, so I'm gonna see about taking one of them. The most unlikely wind direction is for it to blow towards me from the south, so I'll probably find a spot. Oh my god. Oh no, we can't park up here. We're gonna get tattered with hail. Oh my god, it's blowing right in. I think we're just gonna have to circle until we find a spot. Jane. It's like a free car wash, but I don't really want a free car wash right now.